The officer mind. Think sharp. Lead strong.
This video is made only for educational and guidance purposes. The information shared here is based on personal experience, observation, and publicly available sources related to the SSB interview process. SSB selection depends completely on individual performance and the official assessment system. My aim is only to help aspirants understand the procedure clearly and prepare in the right direction.
So, hello dear SSB aspirants, welcome back to the channel. If you are preparing for SSB interview for NDA, CDS, AFCAT, technical entry or as a service candidate, then this video is especially for you. In this video, I will explain the complete day 1 screening procedure step by step, along with the practical tips and strategies to help you clear the screening test confidently. Today I am going to explain about the most important day of SSB interview. I will explain the complete procedure of day 1, what happened from reporting to result, common mistakes candidates make, and the right strategy to increase your chances of getting screened in. So make sure you watch this video till the end. On day 1, candidates are asked to report early in the morning at SSB Center. First, there is document verification where call letter, identity proof, education certificates and other required documents are checked. After that, you are given a chest number and brief instruction about the day. From this moment itself, your assessment starts. So maintain discipline, confidence, and a positive attitude. After documentation, you'll appear for the OIR test. This test includes verbal reasoning questions and non-verbal reasoning questions. The main challenge here is time management. So the main strategy for OIR is don't spend too much time on one question. Solve easy question first, maintain speed with accuracy, and this will only to be happen if you practice mock OIR practice set before your SSB. Remember, OIR plays an important role in screening. Now comes to the most important part of day 1, that is PPDT, Picture Perception and Description Test. First, a blurred picture is shown to you for 30 seconds. And what you have to do is observe the picture carefully. Note the number of characters. Identify mood, age, gender, and situation. Then you'll get 4 minutes to write a story. Your story should include who the main character is, what is happening, what action is taken, and what is the positive future outcome. After story writing, each candidate narrates their story. Then a group discussion takes place. So the strategy for PPDT is write a simple, realistic and positive story. Don't make imaginary or dramatic scenes. Speak clearly and confidently during narrations. And in discussion, share your points calmly and listen to others and support good ideas. Remember, assessors look for leadership, communication, and cooperation. After PPDT discussion, results are announced. Those who are screened in stay for further testing. Those who are screened out return the same day. If you get screened out, don't lose confidence. Many candidates clear SSB in later attempt. So don't lose hope. Many candidates fail screening because of panicking in OIR test, writing unrealistic PPDT stories, shouting during discussion, not listening to others, and low confidence in narration. So avoid these mistakes to improve your chances. I hope this video helped you to understand this complete day 1 screening procedure clearly. If you found this video useful, please like, share, and subscribe to the channel. In upcoming videos, I will explain psychology test, GTO task, personal interview, and conference day in detail. Thank you.